villi. And what's their role? To increase surface area. Okay. And since we're here, and this is the small intestine, I'll just mention that this mint green color on most of these diagrams and models usually represents lacteals. And there is, it represents lymphatic system. The lymphatic system inside each villus is called a lacteal. And that's where fats are absorbed. Remember, that's one of the roles of the lymphatic system is to absorb fats. So that's through this structure here called the lacteals, a lacteal. This round structure right here, this is a lymph nodule. I don't know if it's in the new model. And that's called a Peyer's patch. Remember, those are seen in the small intestine, specifically in the jejunum. There's a lot of them. That's part of immunity. So let's review. The role of the villi and the microvilli is to increase surface area. This lime green structure inside each villus is called a lacteal to absorb fats. This round structure is a lymph nodule called a Peyer's patch, which is part of immunity. So not only am I teaching you this anatomy, I'm telling you what these do. So these are going to be some of those written questions on the other side. Like, what's the role of the villi? Increase surface area, blah, blah, blah. That's usually an answer. Underneath the mucosa is the submucosa. You see not only adipose, but you see the vasculature. So in other words, this is where the blood is, right? The blood supply. And then you have the muscularis layer. Now, through most of the GI tract, we have two layers of muscle. These are smooth muscle. They go in either in a circular formation, and then on top, a longitudinal, so that there can be things moving this way and then also pushed down that way. So you'll see longitudinal and circular muscle. You don't have to identify the two, but there's two layers of muscle. Okay. Except the stomach has a third layer when we get there. Okay, so that's all for this right now, but it comes in different forms.